Okay, so I can't find anything online on how to replace the Traxxas Sledge motor bearings, and I thought I'd make a video because I figured out how. Please enjoy. Okay, so how to replace the motor bearings on a Traxxas Sledge. First, take a 1.5 hex driver and take out these 3 screws at the back. There's one there, and one there. Now you can just go like this, bang, and all the stuff will fall out. Now normally that bearing won't come out that easy, so normally what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go like, put that there, and then pound. Put that there, and then pound. Now, if a bearing fails completely, it'll start going like this and start rubbing on the stator, the rotor wheel, and that's not good. But it immediately stop driving. It'll like turn rock solid if you go off the throttle. The drivetrain will. And then for the back part, bang, bang, discard those, grab your new ones, this part, I'll put a link to the bearings in the description. There we go. It's now in. Now, I'm just going to put that all back together. Now you're going to put back in all 3 of your 1.5 screws. there you go. New bearings, all in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Not trying to annoy you, you can skip ahead if you'd like, but I would really appreciate it if you subscribed, because it takes a lot of research and time to figure out how to make all these nice videos, and it's totally free, and you can unsubscribe if you want. You don't even have to do the bell thing, but I would really like it if you could just please subscribe. It takes like 2 seconds, or maybe 3, but please just consider it. No, but no pressure. Bye.